Chicago is known for three things: deep dish pizza, the Chicago hot dog, and Italian beef. Today, we're checking out a place that has two of the three. That's right, Portillos.
You know, on IMTS TV, we attend and take visits with some of the finest restaurants in Chicago. Just great food. But you know what? Sometimes the best food is the simplest food. So here we are with the classics: Chicago hot dog, an Italian beef, cheese fries, and a nice piece of chocolate cake from Portillos, the Chicago hot dog stand, but quite a hot dog stand. Portillo's started as a hot dog stand, opened by Dick Portillo in the early 1960s, but now it's $1 billion business. There's Portillo's all over, and they have brought to the world the Chicago hot dog.
Good, Peter, what is so special about a Chicago hot dog?
Take a look. Let's go step by step.
Okay.
I want to do this simple so that you can get the whole piece. Okay, let's start. Got the nice pickle right on top. These are known as sporty peppers.
Sporty peppers.
Nice and hot. Then we have the tomato layer. And then we have the extra special green relish and a layer of chopped onions, a nice shot of mustard, and of course, the Vienna beef hot dog, along with a nice poppy-seeded hot dog bun. Now there's one thing that you will not see ever on a Chicago hot dog.
Yeah?
Do you know what that is?
Man, I don't know.
Ketchup.
Oh.
You are not allowed to have ketchup on a Chicago hot dog.
No ketchup.
Remember, no ketchup on a Chicago hot dog.
Okay.
There you have the true Chicago hot dog from Portillo's.
All right.
Now, what's on your docket over here is a Italian beef with sweet peppers and hot peppers.
Oh.
And it's dipped in beef sauce.
Really? Oh, that's why the bun is wet.
That's why it's wet. It's not a
man.
soggy bun. It's dipped in the juice of the Italian beef.
I might have to just...
But we also have French fries.
Yeah.
Great Portillo's French fries with a nice cup of cheese. Cheese fries. Thumbs up?
Oh, yeah.
Now, after you manage to get all of this down, the best is yet to come. The pièce de résistance, the dessert of Chicago right here, a Portillo's chocolate cake.
It looks incredible.
I'm ready to go.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. The only place in Chicago to get a real Chicago dog, two of the best things that come out of Chicago, right here, Portillo's, the one and only place. If you even need to know more, you can find it at imts.com/Chicago. Can't wait to eat.
One more thing to come, Hannah.
What?
Pizza in the next episode.
Oh, pizza. Look at this. We can't stop, can we? Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.